Looking for an easy to install and long-lasting oil filter. This has 15,000 miles of protection and a number of other protections. That's the TG7317 FRAM Tough Guard, and it's got this textured top that makes it super easy to install. You can see the size of it on my hand, and here I am putting it on to the filter housing, and I even got slippery, oily gloves on, and I can still spin it up. With other filters, it would be much harder to do that, and I can even tighten it down to where it needs to be with my gloves on. And I love it has so many different holes here, and the interior is well made. And then you've got this high quality gasket. Make sure to apply some oil on there before you install it. And so just a well-designed oil filter. And here it even shows you what direction to spin the filter on, and also some directions. So I highly recommend this FRAM Tough Guard filter with the textured top. It's been a great filter for me. Thanks for watching.